Today we've come to a plant nursery, the Mae Jo 68 Plants and Seeds or something it's called. It's a place that Pansa found online and it is massive. They've got all kinds of amazing vegetable seedlings and seeds and stuff that they do themselves. I'm walking past cilantro and some parsley, it looks like, eggplants and all kinds of stuff here. Just magnificent. As the name suggests, it's up in the Mae Jo area, which is sort of out to a little bit sort of northeast of Chiang Mai. We've got chili peppers, some rosemary over there at the back, and just tables and tables and tables. It's a really good setup, and they have just got an abundance of vegetable seedlings here. This is silver beet, wonderful. Sounds like they've got some dogs. I don't know if I want to go over there and disturb them. I'll look at them. I have to go. Okay. Sorry, I'll go away. Some other plants and that. So this is exciting. I'm very happy about this because we'll be able to buy seeds and buy seedlings from here for vegetables, which typically at the Kamtiang market in town I have not been able to find. So these looks like beans, these look like some nice healthy tomato plants. Could be wrong, but I think they're tomatoes. But yeah, this is beautiful. It's all pretty simply done. The raised beds are just held together, held in with bamboo. But they've got it, yeah, it looks like they've recently put some block walls in between. I don't know why, but I'm sure there's a good reason for it. But these, yeah, raised beds, they've got brassicas in of some sort, and lots of salad. Apparently they grow salad all year round, so that's not a problem. But obviously a good working garden. There's so much happening here. Some chilies, all sorts. So this is good. This is, well, it took us probably 20 minutes to come out of Chiang Mai to get out here. Easy enough to find, thanks to Google. And a bunch of little seedlings in here. Everything's carefully labelled and controlled. Very good. Very good. Papaya. There, we've got some covered. Most of it's out just with shade cloth, but there's some there with some hoop houses. I'm just being nosy now, just going for a wander. All the ingredients for good soil mix, maybe some composting and all kinds. And it looks like maybe some indoor plants, or plants, shade-loving plants. Okay, I'll join you. Hey. Animals, birds. Oh, it's too hot, isn't it? Hey? That's too hot, isn't it? Hey? Hey, oh, you're very friendly. Nothing to eat, sorry. Well, I'm going to the office to have a look at some seeds too. That's where my wife said she was going, so let's check it out. But, oh, look at this. Kale, how about it? I've got one kale plant in the garden. It's not, it's doing okay, but it's not that big. It was planted a little bit late. It's a nice little display at the front gate. It's very cool. But yeah, this is it. Just in the back roads of Mae Jo. I'm in the office and I found this catalogue here of these seeds that is pretty extensive. I love it. Old school ring binder catalogue with photos and numbers, and we've just written a whole list of seeds that we want to buy, but they've got a fabulous selection and it says that they're all organic, so I like that a lot. So this is the Mae Jo 68 seed catalogue, and I'm pretty excited to find this. We'll also be able to order online. There's different types of zucchinis, yellow ones included, and then of course lots of chili, always chilies and capsicum. Tomatoes I'm not so interested in because I love my Uncle Leo tomatoes. And yeah, beans, we've ordered quite a list, so that's going to be a good start to the next lot of vegetable seedlings that I get planted in the ground. So here's the stash of seeds that we got when we visited the Mae Jo 68 seed company the other day, and it's pretty impressive. They just come in these little Ziploc bags with some information there. It's written in Thai, but got the Translate app on the phone, take a photo, have a look, and it translates it well. So pretty easy there. So I'll keep a good track of these and enjoy planting them in our garden. They have encouraged me to put them in a bag in the veggie compartment of our refrigerator, any that we're not going to plant straight away, and that'll be most of them because it's just the wrong time of the year to be planting much. This is our hot season here in Thailand, so I'm going to wait to plant most of them, but I will try some. I'll try some of the salad vegetables, maybe get some cucumbers in and a couple of other things like that. But as I said, we're very happy to have found a good source of organic seeds here in Chiang Mai. I'll put some links in the description of this video so that you can find them on the map, you can find their Facebook and their website, things like that. They seem to be very easy to deal with and really friendly, really helpful with good information. I hope you can have a similar experience with this seed company. And to learn a little bit more about what we're doing here at the Suan Sok Gardens, check out this link here. Thanks for watching.